Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are doing a first impressions and review of the Beaute Flair palette. And you will see once I get into the tutorial, like, it's a really cute palette and I want this palette so bad. But like, you will see what's gonna happen, okay? But I made it work, just know that, because you see this look, it is really cute, and that's what we did, okay? And yeah, if you want to see I got this look, then keep watching. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and comment, like, share. What else? Turn on your notification button if I didn't say that before. And I think that's it. Yeah, and we'll get into this look. And y'all can see if y'all like this palette or not. Or if I liked it or not. Yeah. Okay, so the palette we're using today is a Beauty palette, and it's called Flair palette. Okay, yep, that's what it's called. And it looks like this. Like, it's really cute. It is. I was so excited to get this palette. And I already did one eye because I didn't know what I was doing, so I had to figure something out. And I had a little issue. We had some problems, but I think I kind of figured it out. I don't know. Like, I really want this palette to work because, like, it's just so cute, and I wanted it so bad. I do not want it to be another coloring vivid pigment situation. So yeah, and it is very powdery, if you can see. It's not a lot of fallout, but it is powdery though. But it's pigmented. Like, you just gotta, I don't know. But we're about to set these eyes, and then we're gonna get started, okay? And the first color we're gonna use is this lime green. And then we're gonna use the dark green that's next to it. Okay, so I'm setting my eyes with the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the shade Medium 28. Okay, so I'm gonna let it get techy for a little bit. This I kind of learned because the first time I tried it, I did it with the concealer, like, really, it wasn't wet, but you know, I put the concealer on, blend it out, and I put the shadow on. It worked, but then when I went to do a second layer of another color, it kind of, I don't know what it did, but it didn't work. So the second time I went in, new color concealer, and I set it with setting powder. The first color did good when I put it on there. The second color, when I did it, it didn't want to go on. So I'm like, okay, let me just put the concealer on and let it get tacky, dry a little bit, and then put it on. It seemed to work a little bit better, but I still had some little issues here and there, but I don't know. Sherbet and moss. Okay, so the first two colors we're going into is sherbet and moss. Sherbet is the lime green and moss is the dark green. Okay, I think it's tacky enough. Okay, so we're gonna start off with moss. Okay, it's going on pretty well. Okay, and next going into sherbet. Okay. Then I'm gonna go back in with that moss color a little bit. Okay, so the next color we're going into is called Forest Pine, which is that dark turquoise. And we're going to put that in the crease. And that's the color I kind of had trouble with. Like, it really didn't want to, like, go in and blend. But hopefully we don't have that problem right now. So, got time for that. Yeah, like, it's not as dark as it should be, I guess. I don't know. I don't know, like, it's there, but it's kind of like blending into the green. I think that's what it is. Okay, and I'm starting to see a separation a little bit. But I don't know, maybe if it's just that shadow. So we'll take a little bit of black and put it in there, because that's what I have to do to the other side. And I even had problems with that, so it's just like, I don't know. Okay, so I'm just go in and cut my crease. Okay, so they do have a turquoise shimmer in here. And I used it on the other eye, but I really didn't like it. Like, it was okay, but it wasn't. I'm used to my shimmer shadows, like, popping, really giving off a lot of pigmentation. And that one just wasn't doing it for me. So, I went into the Juvia's Zulu palette, and I'm going to take that turquoise shimmer and put it on the lid.
You should've called me. Why you never call me? Why you never call me? Oh, you should've called me. Why you never call me? Why you never call me? Oh, you should've called me. Why you never call me? Why you never call me? Oh, you should've called me. Why you never call me?
Okay, and I'm taking that forest color and just tapping it on the outside, the color that wouldn't really, like, blend into my crease. Okay. So what happened was I took that whole eye off because it just looked like it wasn't blending. So what I did was I used a different eye primer. Instead of using concealer, I took the LA Girl Pro Primer in the shade Nude. It's like a primer pencil. And it worked a little bit better. And then I also decided to go work backwards. Like I literally started with the darkest shade and then worked my way up to the second light shade and then the lightest shade. And that helped a little bit. Like I could still kind of see like the separation right there. So I don't know. Like it looks better. Like it don't look bad, but I don't know. This is my first time using the Ace Beauty palette, so I don't know. But I'm gonna keep working with the palette. Like, I'm not gonna give up on it, but for right now, I'm kind of good on it. I don't know. I'm really less flabbergasted right now about this. Okay, I am. Okay, so I just went ahead off camera and did the rest of my face. Now I'm about to do my under eyes and we'll get done with this review because I'm really like over it. I really am. And I know y'all probably tired of seeing green looks, but I don't know what it is. It's like every time I pick up a palette, I just have to do something green or blue. Like I really don't know what the issue is. I'm trying to move my way out of it to get to some more colors, but green just been staring me in the eye like for the last 2 months and I don't understand it. I don't know.
You should've called me. You should've